Hello everyone, my name is SWATHI. I am from first year ISC. My startup company name is TechTrends and the product present name is SandSense whose name is NanoCode. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements of the feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, analyzing the quantity and quality of the hairs. Second one, updating the damaged moisture level and hair health. Defined based on empathizing state and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many few features were added to the exciting product. Ex- exciting product name Nanocode, futuristic product name Stanson. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added to the mentioned here. First one, travel friendly. Second one, folding and collapsible design. Third one, antibacterial coating on the surface of the comb set. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.